In this ClickBank tutorial, I am going to show you how you can make money for lifelong by promoting affiliate products that are inside ClickBank. We just need to select the affiliate product that are inside ClickBank and promote it in Microsoft Ad. Now, if you don't know what Microsoft Ad is, then this is a platform that allows us to promote our product or services in this search engine that is called Bing. Now, Bing is a search engine that is similar to Google, of course not as popular as Google, but this has a good amount of traffic that we can use to make sales inside our ClickBank in an easy way. And I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end and do not miss any crucial information that I'm going to provide you in this video, because if you understand the whole thing that I'm going to show you in this video, then you can keep on making money by promoting ClickBank offers. You can keep on making money in ClickBank by promoting affiliate product of ClickBank in Bing by using Microsoft Ads. Now, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to have an account on ClickBank, and if you don't have an account on ClickBank, then you can simply search clickbank.com and you can visit to this site easily and just click on start here and follow the step-by-step instruction, and you will be able to easily create your own account on ClickBank. Once you do that, then the next thing that you need to do is create an account on Microsoft Ads. Now, for that, what you can do is you can simply search on Google Microsoft Ad and you will find this link. Just click on it and you will be able to visit to this site. Just put your email address and click on next, and then follow the step-by-step instruction, and you will be able to create your account on Microsoft Ad in an easy way. This is not a big problem. Okay, once you have these two things, then what happens, now you already have the affiliate offers which you can promote in Microsoft Ad. So basically you have product that is going to pay you commission and the platform that can give you the traffic to make sales inside these offers. So now it's time for you to select the affiliate offer that you want to promote. See, you can literally promote any offer that is inside ClickBank, but if you notice, by sorting out this offer with gravity, you'll notice all of the weight loss related product or health related products are always at the top of the ClickBank. So it is always a good idea to promote these kind of offers inside Microsoft Ad. Of course, you don't go with this top offer, okay, like Exipure, like if it is literally in the top, then don't go with that offer. Of course you can promote these offer too, okay, you can test out, but the maximum of the offer that converts are little bit down, like two or three offers. After 2 or 3 offers, you can select any of these offers. Okay, so let's scroll below and select our offer that can be promoted inside Microsoft Ads, so that we can get sales in an easy way. So let's, for example, select this Icaria juice. Now again, you can select any offer. Okay, I'm just showing you this as an example. Just the strategy is important. Just select this Icaria juice. If you click on this promote button and you click on create hop link, then you will be able to get your unique affiliate link that you can use to promote this offer in Microsoft Ad. So you have your affiliate link. Now the next thing you can do is just click on this affiliate page. Now what you can do is you need to find out exactly what this product is about. So by seeing this overall thing, you can understand that this is some kind of juice that can help people to lose their belly fat or make their belly fat lean. Okay, that is the core concept of this product. You need to find out the core concept of the product, and for that you can read all of these articles, whatever available it inside this affiliate page. You can even watch their video sales later. Okay, by just clicking on this promote and getting your affiliate link, you can watch their sales page or sales video and find out what exactly this product is about and what exact problem this product is trying to solve. Okay, now once you do that thing, then simply go to bing.com and then start to type like belly fat juice. So now you can see here are some of the keywords that you can use to promote this product, that is Icaria lean belly juice. So it is a type of juice that helps people to lose their belly fat. So now what you can do is you can just watch this keyword. Okay, recipe is not good, cleans belly fat juice, clean is not good belly fat. This can be one of the potential keyword to promote that product. Okay, So juice to reduce belly fat, this is one of the best keyword that you can target, okay, because it is people are already going to search for this keyword like juice to reduce belly fat. And if you show this product to those people who are searching this kind of keyword, then you will increase your chance of getting sales in a maximum way. So you can just copy this keyword, okay, just copy it and then simply save it in your notepad, okay, save this. So now let's again find out any other keyword. So just watch at here if there is any keyword that you can use. There isn't. And what again you can do is juice belly fat, you can type this, okay, and see if there are any keyword. So just watch if there are any other keyword that is going to help you to get sales or conversion. Then you can see juice to reduce belly fat, we have already got that keyword, okay. So weight loss juice recipe, lemon juice, juice to lose belly fat, so this can also be one of the potential keyword, I think. Yeah, juice to reduce belly fat, juice to lose belly fat, this is a little bit different keyword. You can copy it and again save it in notepad. Okay, so in this way you can find some of the keyword that is closely related to the product that you are trying to promote. You don't need a lot of keyword, okay, you just need two to five keywords that you can find inside, because these are some of the targeted keyword for the product that you are trying to promote. So once you have that kind of 2 to 5 keyword, then it's time for you to go to your Microsoft ad account. Once you log into your Microsoft ad account, then just click on this tools and then click on this keyword planner, and then you will see this kind of interface, and then just click on this search for new keywords, because keywords are the extremely important thing while you are promoting any product or services in search engine. That's why just click on search for new keyword using a phrase, website or category. Just click on it and then just copy this keyword that we have found out from the bing.com, and then paste these keywords at here, and then just click on get suggestion. Make sure this is selected, United States is selected at here, because we are going to promote on United States, not in United Kingdom. So select United States and remove United Kingdom, and then click on save, okay, and then just click on get suggestions. Now you'll see this kind of interface, and you can see the keyword like juice related to born belly fat are sourced for lots of time, like 83,000, 92,000, this many times these sorts are happening inside bing.com inside United States. So you just scroll below and you'll find out there are lots of keyword. Just go to this keyword suggestion and then just see like juice for belly fat, which are the keywords that are extremely targeted to the product that you are trying to promote. Find that kind of keyword, okay. You don't need to be perfectly right while finding keywords, okay. You just need to assume like drinks for losing belly fat, this can also be a potential target, okay. You can target this keyword also, and you can see average monthly searches are just showing 10. These are not the accurate searches, so you don't need to worry about if you are only going to get 10 searches or not, because even for example if you are just going to get 10 searches, then those searches are going to be extremely targeted so that you can get sales and conversion, okay. So that's why don't worry about these kind of things, and these are not always accurate inside Microsoft ad. So just copy this keyword, okay, this can be a potential target, and again save inside this notepad. Just give a gap so that you can know these are the keyword that you found from bing.com, and these are the keywords that you are getting from this Microsoft ads keyword planner, okay. And search for other keyword if there are any, and you can what you can also do is you can just click on this average monthly searches, and high volume searches will be shown at here, how to lose belly fat, how to get rid of belly fat. Now you can target this kind of keyword also, okay. But the source that comes from this kind of people who are searching these kind of keywords are not really interested in buying products, okay, exactly at the time when they are searching at these kind of keywords, because they need to type the specific thing like drinking juice, and then only if you promote this kind of juice that are related to belly fat reduction, then only you are going to get sales. So choose your keywords wisely, because if you choose this kind of keyword, then you may overspend your money inside this Microsoft ad. But of course you can always test these keywords too, okay. So like how to get rid of belly fat fast. Here you can see drinks that shrinks belly fat. So this can be a potential target. So you can just copy this keyword, okay, and paste it in your notepad. So in this way, keep on finding how many keyword you can find of these high volume and low volume keywords, and just paste it in your notepad. And then now you need to move ahead in this game. Now the next step that you need to take is you need to turn on the VPN. You can install any kind of VPN, or you can also use Chrome extension VPN. Just type on Google VPN extension for Chrome and install that, and turn on the VPN and make your location is of United States, and then just copy your keyword just to reduce belly fat, and then paste it at here. Okay, so I have already done that. So as you can see, once you paste that and click on the source, then you will see this kind of interface. There are lots of products that are being promoted, and as you can see at the top, Icaria lean belly juice is being promoted. Now what you need to do is do nothing, just copy this headline. Okay, so just copy it and then paste it in the notepad. Similarly, see in another, what is how to lose belly fat. So this can also be how to lose belly fat quickly, lose stomach fast shrink. So this is not appropriate. So search for other ads that are being promoted to promote this kind of secret juice to burn fat fast. Watch this free video. Now you can copy this ad also. Okay, just copy it and again paste it in notepad, so that you can create your own version of this kind of ad that appears at the top. Okay, so that's why you need to see other people's ad that are interesting. Similarly, now you can copy another keyword like drink for losing belly fat and search it in bing.com, and then you will find this kind of interface. A search result, you can see Icaria lean belly juice is being promoted. So that means other people are already promoting this product and are making money at the real time. So you can do it too. Okay, just you need to see their ad, copy, and if it is similar to this, yeah, this is same as this ad. Okay, so you can see, check out other ad. You can find out that this is ad by looking at here. Okay, ad here you can see. Scroll below, this is also ad ad. Okay, so drinks that shrinks belly fat, best drink to lose belly fat. So as you can see here, sometimes you can find keywords at this ad title also. Okay, and then just paste it at here. Now once you have this much, now it's time for you to move to the next level. So now it's time for you to bring traffic from Microsoft Ads to your affiliate offer that is available inside ClickBank. And now for that, you need to master how you can run ad on Microsoft Ad in an easy way, in a step-by-step way. And for that, I have already created a ClickBank full course, which is available on YouTube, which you can watch for absolutely free. And I have guided you in a step-by-step process on how you can exactly promote any affiliate offer that is inside ClickBank, in Microsoft Ad in an easy way. Okay, and I'll give the link of this full course in the description of this video. You can watch that and be able to promote the affiliate offer in the way that I have shown you just now in this video, so that you can get sales for lifelong inside your ClickBank affiliate dashboard. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.